Usability can be described as a capacity of system to provide a condition for its user to perform the tasks safely, effectively, and efficiently while enjoying the experience. So this is the official standard definition, but we will explain it with an example. Suppose Mr. X recently bought a new phone, B2, which is pretty good looking and attractive. But when he trying to call someone with his new phone, he feels a little uncomfortable because the call button icon is so tiny and sometimes it's very difficult to call someone. So he decided to sell his phone and he promised that he will never buy any phone or any product from that company. We observed that because of the phone B2, he decided not to buy any other phone or product from that company. So that negative bias affect on all the products, but there might be other products also which are really good. This thing happened, the problem of usability of phone B2. There are main three factors of usability we need to keep in mind always while we are designing any product. In the first, we'll talk about effectiveness. Does it do the right thing? Does it get things done? Etc. Second, we'll talk about the efficiency of product. Does it do that with a minimum effort? And the final is satisfaction. Does it make you feel good? Do you feel happy while you are using the product? So from the next time, during the time of designing any product, ask yourself these questions which will help you to stay in the right track. And there is one more thing which helps to measure usability. It's called usability testing. So I'll explain it in the next video. For now, please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel for more video on UX. Thank you.